Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to give you guys an update on my Shark robot vacuum. I did a video earlier this year, about 10 months ago, about how I was having trouble with it, and it was giving me the dreaded error number 2. Please check for an obstruction. In that video, about 10 months ago, I was able to fix it by turning it over and removing a lot of debris from the roller brush. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. That video got over 30,000 views, and I only have 650 subscribers at this time now. So if you guys could subscribe, that'd be awesome. I'm trying to grow the channel. But here we are 10 months later, and it gave me, yesterday it was giving me the same error message, error number 2, please check for an obstruction. So I turned it over yesterday and did the same thing I did last time. I take out this little piece here, take out this roller brush. Sometimes it doesn't want to come out if there's debris in there, but I was able to get it out, and there was a lot of hair wrapped around this wheel here, so I took all that out, put it back in, put it back together, and it was still giving me the error number 2 after that. So what I did is I went ahead and turned it on and off. I put it back on the charger. I think the battery was also low at that time because it had done it without, it had stopped working without me noticing. It was just sitting and the battery had run low. So I went ahead and put it back on the charger, let it sit overnight, turned it on this morning, and we're not having any problems this morning. It's running just fine. So that's something else I can add to you, another tip. If you do clear the obstruction and you're still getting that message, go ahead and kind of power it down, reset it, turn it on and off, put it back on the charger, let it sit overnight, turn it on again, and hopefully it works for you. If you got any questions, please comment below. I appreciate you watching. Again, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Trying to grow the channel, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody's support. I'll catch you all next time.